Welcome myself back to my own channel. In this video I'm gonna finally finish my wall. Okay, so I bought some frames and I'm just gonna unwrap them and start DIYing. Watch me take like 74 years just to take this one piece of plastic off of this one frame. Okay, so I'm gonna rip this part off right here just because I don't need it. And after 75,000 years of struggling, it's almost off, not even completely. After I get all the plastic off, I'm going to remove the backing from the frame and insert this edited picture of a lion. Just edited a crown on top of it and flipped the image and printed two. I'm just gonna insert that in the frame. I noticed it looked a little dull, so I'm going to add glue to all the white parts, just like I did to the giant board. And I'm just gonna throw it on there, basically, do a little slappy with a bunch of glue, and smooth it out with my finger. After smoothing out the glue, I added glitter on top. After adding glitter to both pictures, I put them back in the frame. And now I'm going to hot glue the black part of the frame and add some beads on top of it. Very messily, by the way, but it doesn't matter. The beads should cover up the messy glue. Very terrible camera work, but you know, it's hard to DIY and record at the same time. So I'm just gonna glue it into a straight line. Here's after I glued all the beads to both frames. I decided I wanted to be extra, so I'm taking this barrette and cutting the flower part off of it. After struggling for 24 hours, I finally got beads separate. Just gonna finish the job by taking the rest of the barrette off so I could just have the flower. It's hard to record and do this at the same time, so this is what you get. And there you go. I'm just gonna hot glue the flower pieces onto the frame and try not to burn myself. Oh, that didn't work. I literally just burned myself. Cool, nice, great job. I later on decided to add more beads to the sides, so there's 4 beads total. And I'm just gonna cover up the middle of the frame and try to get only the black part showing and spray paint it gold. After being very clever and not wearing any gloves, I got gold spray paint all over my hands and came off my skin pretty easily, but not my nails, so I guess I got a free gold manicure. That didn't cost a dime. Shout out to Gold Metal Design Master Spray. It's my favorite gold spray paint ever in the world. That's it.
Amazing. I've got to tell someone about this. Hey all you people, hey all you people, hey all you people, won't you listen to me? I just had a sandwich, no ordinary sandwich, a sandwich filled with jellyfish,